4K 30 frames per second. Auto flicker is set on correctly. 4K at 24 frames per second is set on, and we still got flicker. Resolved 4K 25 frames per second. So is our auto flicker 60 hertz actually 50 hertz in the NTSC world? Hey, I'm Fish. Yes, indeed, indoor car shots, as well as going out to the stores with version VO104 0701. Dirty window shot. Nothing we can do about it. If you got pitted windows, it ain't the best camera to look out. We have a lot of positive feedback of the version 1040701. I have in my pocket, yes indeed, version 103.03550 if I need to downgrade. But I asked my question again if I could get back to the regular firmware so I could continue forward to do my testing. Well, right now, I didn't get that answer. A reminder, 4K 30 frames per second Pro on with EV value -0.3 with the ISO 100 over 1600. Texture -2, noise reduction -1, white balance 5400. I was checking out firmware and I shut down the application, and there it is again when I turned it back on. As I hit it, you're going to see the firmware number. It is not the latest and greatest firmware of V1040701. They name it VO1040702 for the reasons of, if I wanted to go back to the firmware, I can. I could do that. And that's what it wants me to do. Now, I noticed that it wants to ask me while using my application now again when I just shut it down. Well, I'm over here getting ready to get in to go get some what is called dapladinas. And dapladinas are annuals that last all summer long, all the way up to winter time. And they do have seeds in them, so you could replant them. They're named a different type of plant. You could look it up and post it down below. Mandevilles, something like that they're called. They're viney plants that grow, but if you keep them tamed and under control, they'll basically do a nice job flowering all summer without watering. They will hold their water in the plant. Mother's Day around is the time that you would get them. They are on sale and they will go out mighty fast. So let's get on out of this car and get on going to where we need to be at, get to the store. It's only a couple of minutes early and they should be open for pickings. I let my car remote start running for the reasons of a parasite drawer that I can never figure out. Right now I got it under control with the solar panel. So let's get into the store, get what we need, and get on going. Some veggies, and patience, and flowers. Normally they'll be lined up over here. Everybody's waiting to get in, but I could come over here and start to look. I don't see any. I gotta go look for them. Even though the store says they're available now, they're not. Vigoro annuals. This almost looks like what they are, the containers and all, but they're not. My eyes caught some attention in the back, mosquito away area. Let's go see if those are them. They're starting to look like the Rios, and yes they are. They come in white, red, and other colors, pinks. They're $7, 3 for $15. Yes indeed, and that's what I'm getting, 9. I gotta look for pink. Pink is over here. It's just a little difficult to find the right colors. I want to make sure I get some good ones. I got to pick out 6 more. I got what I needed. And I got 1 more to pick. I got 12. I really don't need any more. 3, 6, 9, 12. This caught my eye. Hawaiian punches. Never know what they were. I think I'll pick one up just for the hell of it. I'm not sure which one I want to pick up and what color I can get. I don't know if they're mixed colors, and that's what they look like. Oh, they all fell over. Nothing I can do about that. Let me stop and pick them up. Oh, man. Put them all towards the end. There we go. Maybe they won't fall this time. So now you got shrubbery and colors. Maybe they look good when they're out in the garden. I got everything else I need. Let me go see if I can get some veggies. Go over there. Well, I can't pay over here. I'm going to escape over there. I go into the parking lot. Yes, indeed. I got to go into the store. I got 6. I got 9. I got 12. I gotta wait for the truck because the light's red. Backing up and off he goes. So yeah, out the window, foliage rotting. So this way it's like a tree overhead to give you the looks that you want. Got the birds flying and more. So there we are, finishing up our ride, our talk, our share, our fun with the Dappler hunt. Get yourself some to be a beautiful plant for you. And on that note, I am Fish. It's been a pleasure, and I'll see you on the next one coming. Have a great one, everybody. This is 4K 30, and in this car, you don't get flicker. So could it be the camera, or just the way cars are?